All right, just getting off duty and we're headed out. We're headed up north to somewhere, but we don't know where. I'm not gonna tell you guys until I show you. Headed northeast for several days. What the heck is going on up there? Let's find out. And we're going to be heading about 220 degrees north to the east at 140 degrees altitude longitude. And look where we're going. To the frickin' Mint. There's probably 400 of those bad boys in that bag. We're going to the Mint 400, baby. Headed to Vegas for the Mint 400. Meeting up with Side by Side Blog. Get back up there, Mints. About 400 of you that I'm going to be enjoying on the road. Wow, trying to get through Santee on the 52, just so much traffic. If you guys have to sit in traffic on your way to work, home from work, just on a daily basis, how do you stay sane? Let me know in the comments, because traffic sucks. All the way up this hill is just traffic for as far as you can see. And it ain't fun. Boo on traffic. I just want to get to Vegas, to the Mint. Part of me wishes we were taking the 215 up to Johnson Valley to go to King of the Hammers. That's not for another 11 months. So we're going to stay the course on the 15 and hit Vegas. Got to make a pit stop in Lake Elsinore and sell a trophy truck tire that I got. So let's make a quick pit stop, make some money. That's going to pay for the diesel. To our left is a solar farm that is pretty freaking wicked. And then straight ahead there in the valley is state line. That's where you fuel. Not in California. It'll cost you an arm and a leg in California. So there's where the race is gonna start. State line, so let's make our way that way. We're almost to Vegas, boys and girls. We're almost there. All right, so we're finally at Prim right now. We got Whiskey Pete's right there, Buffalo Bills. Good old Prim, Nevada. A lot of off-road racing here, that is for sure. I see some dust behind the hotels over here. Let's go see if they're running the short course over here. I'm gonna take a 5-minute break from driving, stretch out my legs, maybe get a little fuel. But this is Prim. Welcome to Nevada. Creepy roller coaster over there. How many of you guys have not been to Prim? Comment down below. It's nothing crazy. A few old school hotels, a monorail, a roller coaster, some off-road vehicles typically behind the hotel. Let's go see what they're doing back there. There's the roller coaster. Kind of cool little roller coaster, I guess. All right, we made it here. Finally, man. Long drive, tons of traffic. Let's see how the soft topper held up, because this is where I'm going to be sleeping Saturday night. We got the course behind us, start finish, somewhere back here. Soft topper did good. No rips, no tears. That's what I'm going to be sleeping in. I threw this thing on here. Got it for couple $100. So we're gonna stay at the D Hotel tonight and tomorrow night. But come Saturday, we're gonna be staying somewhere out in the desert because I'm gonna be working the track at a road crossing. So we're gonna be sleeping somewhere right around that whole area, but who knows? Working the track, so hopefully I'll get you guys some good footage. We got the Speed Energy back here. We got the Fox crew lofted set up back there. Red Bull's over there behind the gate. So just everyone's setting up right now. Qualifying tomorrow, I believe. UTV race tomorrow. Got a lot going on. So stay tuned. If you haven't yet, like it, subscribe to it. And we got to get to Vegas. Truck's looking good. Everything's going good so far. Let's get there. Nah, beef truck. I just saw the Raider Stadium from afar, and it looks pretty freaking killer. It looks like a freaking spaceship or something. So before I go to Fremont Street, before we get to the D Hotel, we're gonna go check that freaking stadium out, get a closer look. Because man, that thing looked pretty cool from afar. I don't even know where it's at now. It's hard to tell, but because all these buildings are so damn tall. So let's find it. Do you know how hard it is to not want to go spend $1,000 in there right now? Oh my gosh. Oh God, there's the stadium. It's insane looking. Big old black stadium in the hottest city freaking ever. Huh. Wow, God, it's freaking... This video doesn't even do it justice. I can't even tell you guys. This thing is crazy looking in person. Oh my goodness. Wow. Just killer. Good old Vegas. I brought like 12 bucks to gamble. See what we can't turn $12 into. All right. There we are. Finally got our room, checking in. All right, here it is. We're on the 20th floor of the D Hotel. All right, not a bad view. I don't know what's on the windows. Wow, can't even look out the windows. It's got this stuff all over it. Kind of hindering the view. It's really hard to see. But Fremont Street ends right there. Goes to where all the festivities are, right over here. So that's kind of where contingency and tech is all set up. So let's make our way down there. But look at this. Queen beds. Yep. We'll take it. We'll take it. Woo-hoo. From one to the other. Goofing around in my own hotel room. All right, so we just checked in at the volunteers area. So now we're finally official. Check it out. We got our mint bag and our bracelet. We're out of here. Look at how tiny these wheels are on this truck. These wheels are huge.
Stuffing earpieces in, the helmet, the mouthpieces, anyway. Great to see PCI race videos out here again.
Just cruising with the cars through tech and contingency. Just a line of cars. Nice car. Fuzz is gonna go get him. probably the best way to get around in Las Vegas is on the top of a chase truck, tongue twister, just cruising Vegas. Best view in town.